Hey, hello, good morning, guys, and this is Cody with Gautam. And guys, today we're going to do the level continuous alchemy. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. Today we will learn about continuous statements, if statements, accessing properties, strings, variables, and while loops. So, let's get into it. Our equipment for this level is you can win with any equipment because all you'll do is just drink water, so you'll win with any equipment. And our goal here is to drink water to survive. So we had to use a new statement called a continuous statement to stop the current iteration of a loop and go to a next one. And you will see what I mean by that. So here we have our code. So let me just explain how the level works. So first we have our hero over here. Here is Omar Brewstone. Omar Brewstone throws a drink if we ask him a drink. We say that, give me a drink. And next thing he throws water or poison. And if you see right over here, there will be a scout competing with us. And that was poison. So he just drinks poison. You ask him for a drink. That's poison. Oh wait, you get that's water. You get the water, you just go back. So that's what you have to do. So if not enemy, there's no enemy, then continue on to the next loop because no enemy, good. If there's no item, hero say give me a drink, then you go to the next loop. If there's an item if the item is poison, you say that okay, you continue out of the loop and out of the while loop. Because if you are in the last statement, if you're in the last loop in a while loop, it'll just get out of the loop. So it's kind of like a break statement, but instead of breaking into another loop, the continuous statement will go into another loop. You might not understand, so let me just give a brief example. So for example, we have if enemy. This is just an example. This is not the level code. So if enemy. And next then if item you break. That means you break out of this loop and you go to the enemy loop right over here. But if it's a continue statement, for example we have continue, it will continue on to this loop. I think you got what I mean by that, so now let's discuss of the level. Enemy equal to your find nearest enemy, item is item. If there's no enemy, you continue because it's good. Exit. If there's no item, you say give me a drink. And if item is not a poison, you continue out of the loop. So we checked everything and there must be a bottle of water because it's not poison, there is an item, and there is an enemy. So you move to the post, get the water, and then you go back to your place. But Omar is kind of tricky, so I might give poison. So that's why we check for poison over here. And if it is poison, you continue out of the loop. Like, since there's no loop to go to next to, it'll go to the while loop, and there's nothing in the while loop after that. So that's how continuous statements work. And that is continuous statements and break statements in a nutshell. So now let me just go back to the map and let's discuss what we learned today. We have learned about continuous statements. I explained you fully about that. If statements. We used if statements to check the conditions for if there was an enemy or if there was poison, and accessing properties. We access the properties of item and enemy to check if it was there. Like we took the property of an item. If the item is there, you go to the next. Okay, strings. We use a string of poison in the last loop. So because it was a type. Variables. We stored enemy and item in a variable at the starting of the loop. And while loop. We run all this code in a while loop so it could keep going instead of stopping with only one. So this is it for continuous statements and continuous alchemy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this video. And guys, this is Cody with Gautam, and I will see you next time. Have a good day. And don't forget to check my other videos. If you didn't understand continuous statements or break statements, I have another video in my channel which explains break statements and continuous statements, and you can watch that video. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this video. And guys, this is Courtney with Gautam, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.